Hi, my name is Jessica Luvano and I'm a private chef. And today I'm reviewing my new side sleeper pillow. So I've been using this pillow now for about a week since I received it, and I have to say that I've seen a major improvement in my sleep. The pillow itself is organic, it's eco-friendly, it's got a cotton cover on it, which I greatly appreciate because I have terrible allergies and I'm allergic to almost like everything that touches me and that I breathe. So the fact that this is a cotton sheet pillowcase is something that I really appreciate because it allows me to breathe really well when I'm sleeping. The wool on the inside is adjustable. It has a zipper, so if I want to, I can take a little bit out if I feel the pillow is too fluffy, or I can move it around and just adjust it so for my sleeping preferences. The pillow itself, I'll show you. It's cut out, see, here, so I can tuck myself in and hug this guy when I'm sleeping on my side without having to scrunch, a normal pillow that doesn't have this cutout, and then you're kind of like just ruining the shape of that guy. This is made just for that kind of sleeper, which is me, and I like to sleep on my side and whatnot. So I'm working about 60 hours a week sometimes, working 10-hour days, sometimes 12 depending on the season. So I'm really tired. So for me as a chef, getting good sleep is extremely important. It allows my body to relax, go back into homeostasis and get me ready for the next day of service. So sleep is super important, and the fact that this pillow has been allowing me to get better sleep without having to take any type of supplements like melatonin or a little shot of whiskey before bed to help me knock out has been amazing. So I would definitely recommend this company, Sleep and Beyond's pillows, for anybody who's having trouble sleeping or anybody who just wants to just get better sleep. I'm actually having a lot more dreams. That means I'm going deeper into my deeper sleep now, whereas I wasn't before because I was super uncomfortable. But now I am, thanks to this pillow, and I'm greatly appreciative of it. So thank you guys for shooting this guy to me. It's my new friend.